the chalkbook. Too much smoke, really breathing. I'm feeling yoga usko. Doing on Doris, Scarface freezing. Don't know what I'm saying, don't know what I'm feeling. Oh yeah, oh my god, Dios mia. Chilling in the chalkbook. Too much smoke, really breathing. I'm feeling yoga usko. Doing on Doris, Scarface freezing. Don't know what I'm saying, don't know.
So we got our bar, but Dan, he forgot the actual brackets for the wall. So that ain't happening until Monday. He also made me this. This is a piece that will go onto the bottom of the gate, and then this wheel bolts to that. So I have a guide wheel for when it opens. So yeah, that's going to be awesome. Now it's getting pretty late. Tomorrow I'm going to move all of this gear over here so we can get Aaron's Mini in and parked over there for the meantime. All these have to go up onto this, and we need to join this one to this paneling, and then we can bolt them together. I need to get some more of this paneling for that wall over here, and then we can start bolting it together, getting these top ones screwed in because they're not screwed in yet, and then trim the top off there and this side as well. We just need to get up there with the grinder, cut it all down, and then this one as well, trim it all down and get this panel done, bolt it together. Then we can work on the front panel. So yeah, unfortunately I'm a real dude with real life shit going on. I'm not working at the moment. I'm doing a full-time welding course, so that's fun. So once we have the actual frame of the garage up, I'll show you the workings of what's going to be in here and what we're going to be doing. So we're going to come back tomorrow or the next day where we have all of this cleared out, and then we're going to start getting this gate done and getting those two walls up, and then sorting out the panel for over there, across, and then the panel for here.
Go for 1 point. Don't ask me to smoke up one joint. Don't ask me to go for one art in my thing. I be up the full night. You up the fuck boys, I'm live and I'm on one up till sunrise. I'll drink when it's all done. Your place up, hyping up for some time. No sleep for the kid.
Let's take the Mini for a test drive. So guys, we are in the Mini. Just gonna bring it on a quick test spin, see how the brakes are. Pedal feels a bit okay, so we probably need to bleed them once or twice again just to get them fully bled and yeah, up to scratch for this kind of Mini. So it's not any normal Mini, as anyone who watches knows. So yeah, we're just going to bring on a quick spin and see how she goes. At the start, but stopping, will I be 100% confident in them? Not particularly, but they're working. Big ramp. Some petrol. Everyone loves the Mini. Who doesn't? So yeah, we just got some petrol in the car. Just gonna bring it around the block, bring on a quick spin, see how she goes, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's go. brakes are holding up pretty good. I'm happy. They're working, so I'm happy out. Keeps banging. I don't know what that is. Brakes are still working, so I can't complain. Something keeps banging. Maybe something falling, I left something in the car, so could be anything really. It's turning okay, steering okay. I need to sort the brake pedal because maybe I need to sort the brake sensor because it's not returning all the way and the brake lights are staying on, so I'm going to have to sort the sensor in that and see what way I can set it on the pedal. Set it a bit further back so the pedal doesn't need to return all the way. Because other than that, it's good. The steering feels good. Move down. Feels good. Still feel good, so they do need another blade. I'm gonna give them another blade, so see how that goes. But like, the car's stopping perfect. I'm really happy with how the brakes are. A little bit of play in the steering. It's just when you're sitting here like that, you can see it. It's only slightly, like, but it's still a bit of play. Need to get rid of all that slack. But yeah. Give it another punch. I want to see what is rattling. Maybe it's just in the back, or I don't know what it is. It just sounds like stones or something, or nuts and bolts. Maybe, hopefully not nuts and bolts. So see how she goes. I'll put the boot down again and see if it makes that noise again. It might just be something falling back. Could be anything, but let's hear some Vtec. It's not for this ramp. It's very big. Ramp in second gear, so wait for cars to pass. Ah, man, I love this car. Sometimes you have to go for a double dab with the brake pedal. I don't know why, maybe it's just down to bleeding, I'm not sure, but they're working, so I'm kind of happy with that. Let me go for a second with Vtec, see how she goes. Good. Needs a good L stalled. Hasn't been driven in a while, so it's kind of enjoyable. Nice to get it out. Get a quick spin in the car. Hasn't been driven in a while, so it's nice to get the car out and enjoy it. All the kids enjoy it. I've no horn. I've no horn to press. The kids ask me to beat the horn. I've no horn. The horn isn't working. The fuse is gone or the wire's gone. I don't know. I have to figure that out. But yeah, that was an enjoyable spin in the Mini. Let's get it back in the garden. Everything is sweet as a nut. Maybe it was something falling out, I'm not sure, but happy out. Yeah, she just needs a good wash now. Bird poo. Might have been something in the boot here rattling around, but had a look under. Everything is good, everything is still there. So yeah, happy out. So guys, mini test drive was kind of successful yesterday. It was a bit of fun, a bit of jerkiness every now and then, maybe it's fuel pump. It's in it a really long time. I might order a new one when I get some funds, but yeah, it was enjoyable. We Vtec'd, the brakes work. They do need a good blade, so I can drive it down to Andy, get it to his garage, get it up on the ramp and blade the absolute shit out of brakes. So we're going to leave it here for now. We'll come back on the next video. This is just a quick video I just done to put up, show you the Vtec Mini driving and stuff. So in the next video we're going to be welding this gate together because Dan brought over that bar and he's going to bring over the brackets for that go on the wall. We're going to drill both them into the wall, hang this piece of steel off it, and then we'll get this all straight and perfect. Then we can measure from the top here and the bottom across to the wall, and then we can build the long lengths upright that way, and then one in the middle obviously, and then we'll have two going from one corner to the other just to hold it together for structure wise. So yeah, stick around for that. Give the video a like, subscribe, comment, share with everyone, friends, pets, family. It's all good in the hood. So thanks for watching, peace out, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace.
Mohie, oh my god, Dios mia. Chilling in the chalkbook, too much smoke, really breathing. I'm feeling yo go school, doing on Doris, Scarface freezing. Don't know what I'm saying, don't know what I'm feeling. Mohie, oh my god, Dios mia. Chilling in the chalkbook, too much smoke, really breathing. I'm feeling yo go school, doing on Doris, Scarface freezing. Don't know what I'm saying, don't know what I'm feeling. Don't ask me to go for 1 point. Don't ask me to smoke up one joint. Don't ask me to go for one eye in my thing. I be up the full night. You up the fuck boys, I'm live and I'm on one up till sunrise. I'll drink when it's all done. Your place up, hyping up for some time. No sleep for the kid, I love the buzz. I'm in a royale jog, but I like this shit. Big cup in me hand, well I like this split. Ain't nobody gonna kill my vibe. This boy's too high for the noise you bring. Everybody's chatting shit in the kitchen, saving the world. Bunch of politicians. I ain't trying to listen to that shit. I'm getting another drink for me, filling up the cup while I light another. Mohie.